In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to import the content from a course that you taught previously to a new semester, to a new course that you're teaching again another semester. So let's suppose that I have this course, eLearning 101, that I taught, let's say, in fall 2016. Of course, I'm working a little bit in the future here, but and now let's assume that it's fall 2017 and I'm teaching this course again, and I don't want all this work to go in vain, and I don't want to reinvent the wheel here, so I want to import this content to my new course that I'm teaching the new semester. So the question is, how do I go about it? Well, the way you do it is that you go to your new course. So I'm going to go here under Dashboard or to the eLearning homepage, however you get to your main course there. And I'm going to choose to show all my courses here in this case. So basically find my new course that I'm teaching. And my new course, it's very creative here, it's called New Course. That's to emphasize that we need to go to the new course that we are teaching, to the blank one. And then once we go to the blank course or to our new course, we want to go and import the content from the old one. So what we do is we go here under Administration, and then we click on Import. Under Import, then we go and find the course that we taught previously. So if you remember, our previous course was called Test Course. So we click on the Test Course here, and then we click on Continue. Now, if your course doesn't show up in this list, or this list is too long and it's just not there, you can search by the course code. So you could do, let's say, edu_101. And now, of course, that depends on how your system is set up, but here at Cairn, we use the 3-letter code _101. So edu, in this case, _101, or whatever it is, the course code. Then you click on Search and then find the course that you're looking for. Make sure it's the right one, though, because once you import it, it's kind of difficult to get rid of all the content that you just brought over. So then you click on Continue here, and the next step is to tell the system what do you want to bring over. Now in this case, I want to bring over everything. So leave everything alone and just click on Next. If you're sure that it's everything without confirming any stuff, you can click to jump to the final step, but we're going to go slowly here. We'll click on Next. Then it's going to ask us, do we want to leave anything over in the old course, not bring it over? So in this case, I don't really need the syllabus from the old course. And if I don't need something else, I can simply uncheck it and not bring it over. So let's say I don't want the live chat and so on. So then you can check or uncheck other items in the course and scroll all the way to the bottom and then click on Next. And now it's confirming. It's basically giving us one more chance to review what we want and what we don't. And then scroll all the way to the bottom, and then you click on Perform Import. Then it will bring, at this stage, it will take a few seconds, depending on how big your course is, and it will bring everything over exactly how it was in the semester that you taught it previously, including the gradebook configuration and the order of the items and all that type of stuff. So at this stage, just be patient, don't cancel it, because it will break it. So once you import the course, you click on Continue. And at this point, notice it has everything exactly. It just says New Course here. It has everything exactly how we had it on the previous class. So now at this point we can tweak things, we can change stuff, we can delete other items and so on and tweak them. To hide it from students, of course, you can just click on the hide block once you tweak it or as you're working on it. By the way, we suggest that you hide any upcoming content in your course. So let's assume that your course is ready for the whole semester. There's no need to display all 13 or 16 weeks of content ahead of time. You can just display as you go. You display the information as you go through the semester. So let's say you're on week 3, you have the first 2 weeks displayed, but then the third week and on, you keep it hidden. So at this point, it's all good to go, and you can, like I said, you can customize it the way you want and so on. One cautious, and this is what I wanted to say, one thing to remember is that when you import a course, if you had due dates in there from previous semesters, all those due dates need to be updated on the various assignments to reflect the new dates, because there's nothing more frustrating from the students, other than getting an F for an assignment, I guess, to have an assignment say that it's past due when it's not even time yet to work on it. So the quickest way to check for due dates for your assignments is by clicking here under Activities, and you click on Assignments, and then you'll be able to see here where it says due date. Notice it says Thursday, the 13th of August. So then you can click on that assignment and tweak the dates in it. Then go back. So far we checked all the assignments in the course. Now you want to go back, and let's say you go to forums and see if you have anything related that is due at a certain time and restrictions related to old dates. In this case, we don't see the times here. Then we go back, and I'll check also the lessons and the quizzes particularly. So basically just go through all of these activities and click on them. Particularly, let's see quizzes. And the quizzes, usually they would have, if we set deadlines and dates, they would be listed in one of the columns in there. So once we make sure that the dates are good to go, then the course is good to go, of course, changing the date wherever we have other references throughout the course. So that's how to import a course, and hopefully it was helpful.